welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to fit some WRX mud flaps, kindly sent down by, again, Chris at Angel Shields Rally, sorry. He said, hey again Paul, keep up the great work. Ollie, keep up the great work, love your channel with the vids. Enjoy the mud flaps for the WRX. Chris, there you go. Comes with a nice instruction manual. You get two sets of fronts, two fronts, two rears, self tappers, blah blah blahs, and yeah. Oh, brilliant! And we're going to go ahead and fit them today. So let's get into that now. It'll be quite hard to get to because I have to take this wheel back off. Fronts I can sort of turn in and get in there with it. And now, man, we've had a wheel alignment and the alignment's sitting perfect now. We've got some new Michelin Pilot Sport 4s on the car and it's looking rather sweet now. So yeah, mud flaps today and then some more stuff coming. So let's get these mud flaps on. Step one, jack up the rear of the car and use axle stands, remove wheels if necessary for room. Let's do that. What I've done is taken out the two panel clips that hold the arch liner in, giving it a bit of a wipe down, and yeah, we just align these holes up. Hopefully they match up, should do. If not, we get the self tappers out. But yeah, the front ones are pretty easy because you can angle the wheels in as much as you can, but the rear ones, there's no access to it, so we're gonna have to sort something out for that. I'm gonna stick the front one on and see how it looks. Front one, super easy to get on. It's just one hole there, screws into, there's another hole there which you screw into, and then self tapper into the bottom, and then it stays there, which is pretty nice. Looks alright. Just need to make sure I've got the clearance, and then jack up the front, jack up the rear, get the rear arch off, and yeah, sort the rear ones out. Let's go. That is both front sides done. Looking a tiny bit better. Let's go get the rears done now, and when the rears are done, we are done. Really simple to put in. So all you have to do is basically, depending on how high or low you are, there's two holes in here. One I guess is if you're stock height, one I guess is if you're lowered. It's nice to know that he's thought about that, because I thought I was going to have to cut these down because of clearance issues, but I don't, which is perfect. One little self tapper in there, one little self tapper in the rear, and they are not going anywhere. Actually holds the side skirt on a little bit more better as well, so that's always a plus. But yeah, you can obviously choose what kind of style you want, or if you want to come out a little bit further or a little bit not. I just want to come out where the side skirt goes in line with the W. So on this one, the two poppers line up on the outer arch, but if you look and try and get it up to where I want to try and mount it, it doesn't work. So what we have to do is, I've marked a hole there, one of the self tappers, but it's metal, so it won't go through. It does supply you with these nifty little brackets. So when you bolt through in there, and then bolt through and through into the mud flap, and then yeah, that's how it sits on the rear. Quite simple really. So got the old drill out. Just going to drill a little hole through, and then mount it up. Let's do it. So, bit bracket, wash out through the hole. Oh crap, I need to make the hole bigger. Make your hole bigger. Wash the side through. Try and get it as straight as you can. Get a washer on the back. Get a nut. Stretch all the way around there. And then that's in there, and then the mud flap can screw through the hole into there with some more washers. Bit of slack, because as I learnt out when I had my mud flaps last time and I did them up super tight, if they eventually fall off or somehow come loose, they will rip your bumper off, which is what it did to the last Subaru. So just a little bit of slack on the far end, just so the mud flap can move about if it needs to. We just need one self tapper down in this bottom corner, and then that should stay there nice and securely. And then that's both of them on. And let me just close the boot. That's both of them on. Looking quite nice and fresh. Not gonna lie to myself and get a STI one, so it's got WRX ones for now. To be fair, Chris sent them to me for free, so I can't really complain. This video is sponsored by him, brilliant guy. Twice now he's given me free mud flaps. They are really good quality. I destroyed a pair last time and he gave me another pair, so he's technically giving me 3 pairs, so yeah, it looks quite nice to me. Quality on these mud flaps are really good as well. They're very, very thick rubber, so they're not, as soon as a little bit of mud's going to hit it, it's not going to come flying off. No, really impressed with the quality again from Chris. Now let's jack up this side, get this side on, finish, and maybe give the car a wash after. I don't know, we'll find out. And now both are on, looking quite nice. Side view, looking quite nice. Yeah, they are really quite good. The other ones I had, I ripped off a few times because I got too close to curbs, blah blah blah. These are quite nice. So yeah, that's all done now. As I say, on the rears, I don't know if you can see in there, small bracket, 2 things, self tapper at the bottom, holds it in out the way of the wheel. Same on the other side. Front's really easy. And yeah, I'm happy. Yeah. Now all I need to do is get that big bad boy wing, spray these wheels black, and yeah, we've got a car coming on, guys. Coming together nicely.